Welcome to Homework Answers. We're going through the textbook Programming, Logic, and Design, 8th edition by Joyce Farrell, and in this video we're covering Chapter 1, Exercise 8A. You'll notice that this problem is almost exactly like Exercise 7A. In Exercise 7A we're finding the area of a tile. In this one we're just finding the area of a floor. So I mean it's it's almost the exact same problem. This one, also you're going to want to make the necessary corrections because it's, just slightly modified. But it's only asking for the pseudocode or the flowchart, and let's get started with the pseudocode. You're going to start. You're going to have your declarations. You've got one side of the floor. If it's a square floor, which that's sort of what we're going off of here. If it were a rectangular floor, then you would want to do. You'd want to have a variable for length and width and a place for them to enter both the length and the width of the floor. And your calculations would look like area equals length times width. But I'm just assuming that this is a square floor. It's not exactly like the book has it, but it's very, very close. And so we'll only need one side and the area as our variables. Then you've got an area for the user to put in whatever length one side of the floor is, and then you've got the equation to find the area. And I'm not doing length times width. I'm using side raised to the second power. You could have like this equation right here comes in really handy if you ever have a problem where you have to do like side times side times side time, and it just keeps going on and on. You could have like raised to the fifth power or the seventh. But we only need this one because that's side times side, or length times width is area. Like I said in that other video, 7A, and same goes here. You can't use this equation, this raised to the second power, this little thing here. You can't use that unless you have this in the header here, include math.h. It won't work. It may work naturally with other programs, but with Xcode it does not work unless you have that up there. And I'm assuming that other programs are sort of the same. So just remember to include that or you'll have problems with this. And then next we'll have our output. So we're going to have the area of the floor is equal to, and then we'll put the variable area. So whatever's contained in that will be displayed. And then we've got meters. I think I'm using meters here. And then we've got a little subscript 2. I don't know what that is. That's the dollar sign right there. We don't want that. We want the subscript 2. And then we end it. That's all you need to get that little, or not subscript, superscript 2 up above. It's not going to hang down low. It's going to hang up high. Let's go ahead and run this and check it out. So the length of the floor, let's see, 5. Yep, and that's right. See, the area of the floor is 25 meters squared, and you've got that superscript 2 right there. So that looks right and pretty simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.